Do you wish your product would sell itself while you sleep? Well, that's exactly what I pulled off. And I'm gonna show you the exact 5 ChatGPT prompts I use to make it happen. Now, before we get into it, if you need digital product ideas, grab my 500 plus digital product ideas guide. It is completely free and it is going to give you a ridiculous amount of inspo for products that actually sell. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen, and I help you create, market, and sell digital products for passive income. Now let's get right into the prompts because these have been absolutely game changer for my business. The first prompt I use is act as a social media strategist and copywriter. Write 30 days of short form posts for specific platform that spark curiosity about my specific product. I stated the product without sounding salesy. Each post should have a strong hook, a relatable story or quick tip, and a soft call to action. Keep the tone, and you're gonna insert whatever tone you want it to be. Make it build interest over time. This gave me a full month of content in under 60 seconds. Now, the second prompt that I used was act as an expert email copywriter. Write a 5 email nurture sequence to sell X product. Make it feel personal, drop value bombs, build trust with proof or stories, and then each email with a clear CTA. Include subject lines. Boom. I had a week's worth of ready to send emails done before my coffee even got cold. I hope these are getting you excited because this has been absolutely game changer for my business. So next I went full conversion mode. So here's what I put into ChatGPT. Act as a senior direct response copywriter. Audit this product description for clarity, emotional punch, and conversion. Rewrite it to include urgency, scarcity, and risk reversal. It gave me a side by side audit and a polished version that made me want to buy my own product. Now let's get into prompt number 4. This one's my sneaky secret. Act as a headline and hook generator. Give me 50 high converting headlines for my product based on proven copywriting formulas. Make them curiosity driven and scroll stopping. I love this so much because now I never have to stare at a blank caption again. Now, prompt number 5 is my sales machine setup. So, this is what I asked ChatGPT. Act as a many chat automation expert. Write a full DM automation that responds when someone comments trigger word, delivers the freebie, nurtures them with value, and naturally leads them to buy X product. This one right here was chef's kiss. I set it and forget it. Once I put it on into ManyChat and I put the flow, that's it. Now, if you want me to teach you how to create and sell digital products, even if you're a total beginner, that's exactly what I cover inside my program. And you can find the link in the description below. And as you can see here, ChatGPT basically became my 24/7 sales team. This is the power of AI. Do not sleep on ChatGPT, on any other AI tool that you use. I use a lot of them. But this one right here, all of these prompts I just gave you, I'm using them in my business. Anytime I create a new product, anytime I'm launching something, I'm always using these different prompts. So utilize these and then come back to my video and let me know what your results were. And if you like this breakdown, you are going to love this next video right here.